In this video, you'll learn how to effectively use Windsurf as a beginner, even without any coding experience. By following these steps, you will be able to navigate the application and create a simple web app. Begin by opening the Windsurf application. Locate the icon on your desktop or in your applications folder. Once you click on it, the interface will load, presenting you with the main dashboard. Ensure you have a stable internet connection, as this will help the application run smoothly. Next, click on the option labeled Agent within the dashboard. This button is typically located on the left side of the screen. After selecting it, you will be taken to a new screen that shows various options related to agents. This step is essential as it prepares you to start a new session. After that, look for the button that says New Session and click on it. This action will initiate a fresh workspace for your project. A confirmation message or a loading indicator may appear, let you know that the session is being set up. Once this appears, a cascade code will be generated automatically. This code will be displayed prominently on the screen, and it is crucial for the next steps. Make sure to keep this code visible, as it will be used in the following actions. Now, you will need to type in the command to create a simple app for the sign-up web application. Ensure that you input the command accurately in the designated area. This is an important step because it dictates the functionality of your app. Following this, wait for Windsurf to generate the application. Depending on your internet speed and the complexity of the app, this may take a moment. A progress bar or a confirmation message will likely indicate that the generation process is underway. Be patient during this time, as larger applications may require more time to complete. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.